Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a 1 week update about this hair that I purchased from Alipearl. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And if you're here, you're watching my videos, please support me, help me grow my channel by subscribing. Also, you guys know I really love communicating with you guys. I love helping you. So if you feel the need to slide in my DMs on Instagram to ask me for help, I'm definitely here for it. But let's just get right into the video. So again, the disclaimer is I'm going to ask for you guys to wait for my 1 month update about any hair that I purchased on my channel, just because again, I don't want anyone purchasing hair based on my initial or my 1 week update and then a month, 2 months later, it's not that good. So please, going forward, I don't want anybody wasting any money. But let's just get into the hair. So I'm going to give you guys my findings so far. So I debated back and forth whether or not to come to you guys and do like 1 week updates about hair, but I do still think that they're a crucial part of my channel. So I am going to let you guys know what my findings are about the hair so far. So I'm going to go over the pros and then I'll go over the cons that I found. So the pros are, it is soft. I do like the cap construction. Now the cap construction is set up the way that I normally would make my wig. So it has like the frontal in the front. It's on an actual like lace cap, and it has like the combs, and it has the little bra strap so you can actually adjust it. One thing I did like about this wig is that in the back there's like hair at the side, and normally when you have the hair at the side like behind your ear, you kind of always like will see the track where you can tell that it's a wig. This one I like the way they did it because it's actually pretty seamless. So let's say if you wanted to get like a longer wig from them and have it put up like in like a bun or in a ponytail, I think it looks a lot more natural than some of the other wigs that I've purchased in the past. So
this is very hard to do with one hand, but I'm just trying to show you guys. So this is the back of the wig, and you guys see how the hair is they're right up against the edge. So it looks like it'll be pretty seamless if you have to like put it up like in a ponytail. And then they have like this lace in the back that I haven't cut off, but I just like the way the back of the cap construction is. Sorry if you guys aren't able to get like a good visual, but I really wanted to show you guys this because something about the wig that I do really like.
Those are going to be the pros. Oh, and also the price. So now that we're past the pros, we're going to go over the cons. So if you guys recall in my initial unboxing video, I mentioned to you guys I was going to color it like Meg Thee Stallion, and I achieved that kind of. And when I say kind of, I don't know if you guys can tell. I might insert a picture up here or here in like daylight because I feel as though you can see it a little bit better. But for whatever reason, both sides did not lift the way that, like this side lifted lighter than this side. I do have a video of me coloring that. I'm probably going to upload the same day I upload this video. I'm going to link it down below so you guys just see that process. And you know, I normally, whenever I color hair or I bleach hair, like I'm crazy. I do my own thing. Like this time I actually use foils. Like both times that I bleached the hair, and I still came out with this outcome. The first time that I bleached it, the hair kind of turned like an orange, which is new for me. So normally when I'm dealing with hair, I'm dealing with either like virgin hair or raw hair, and I get a different outcome. Now I know they say this is virgin hair. You know how your girl is. I don't believe it's virgin hair. Is it a bad thing? Not necessarily, because it's a $128 wig. But it's definitely a blend of some sort. I noticed when I was parting the hair to, figure out where I was going to put like the blonde strips, I saw a piece of plastic, yes, plastic, that looked like it was hair and felt like it was hair, but it was plastic. And I wish I could take a picture and show you. If I can take a picture and have it come out decent to where you can tell it's plastic, I'm gonna insert it somewhere on the screen. The screen is pretty small, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it up top or at the bottom, but I'll try my best to insert it for you. In addition to that, I noticed, and I've seen this before, so again, it's not like a big deal, inside the actual strand itself, there's like balls of like what looks like yarn or like some sort of like a cloth material. So I know for a fact that it's a blend. Now, typically whenever I have like a wig or a weave, I never like it to be like completely flat to your scalp. I like a little bit of volume. I do think that it makes it look a lot more natural. With this, however, I flat ironed it. I've put a little bit of water, and like it's just, and it could be me, we'll put that out there. It's just really poofy at the roots. And I don't understand why. Now, another thing is, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I did get the style that I was going for, so I'm happy about the length that I got here. I do wish the front of this was a little bit longer. You guys heard me mention that there were a lot of short strands. I think you can kind of see the little ends in here. And it just kind of feels right towards the front. It just feels a little bit empty. Like the back is nice and full, but the front up here is a little bit empty. So like I said in my initial impressions video, I would have rather them take the density down to 150 and make the strands a little bit longer than have it be 180 and only have the back of it be long and the front be like short and choppy. Now, also with that said, this reminds me of the wig that I got from Amazon. If you guys have seen my my wig collection video, I'm gonna link that down below. I think I paid probably about $100 for that wig in all. I don't want to say it reminds me of it in a bad way. Like, it's not necessarily like a bad thing, but the hair feels the same as that. And I'm trying to be nice about how I say it because I don't want to seem like I'm bashing all these companies, because again, I'm just here to just give you guys the truth, like uncut truth. That's just what it is. It feels a little limp. It's like when I curl it, and I'm not a professional. I'm pretty good at what I do, and typically when I style hair, I get what I'm going for, but I'm not a professional on paper. It's like it's really full here, as you guys can see. And I actually just, because I look at it in the mirror and I'm like, why do I look like I got on a helmet? So I went in the bathroom, took my little comb, put some water on it. You guys can actually still see the water's on here. And I combed the roots down so that it would look a little bit more flat. And still, it's poofy. All right, no problem. The wig is $128. But like then it does like this thing where it's poofy here and it's flat here and then it's curled at the ends. So like it doesn't hold a curl very well. Now earlier, I started to film the video and I was like, you know what? I don't like the way the hair is looking. It had rained a little bit. Even though it wasn't far from what it was, I said, you know what? Let me curl it again. I literally just curled this hair like, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half ago. And it was sitting on a mannequin head because you guys know my wigs sit on mannequin heads. And now it's like, it's fallen. So when I say like it's limp, that's what I mean. Like, I don't get that it's gonna hold a style really well. Again, I'm gonna come back to you guys in a month. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. But I just feel as though, I don't wanna say it's heavy because the hair is light, but whatever the blend is, it's just, I don't know. It's not really holding a style. Now what I did do is I purchased more toner to put here on the side just to make it so that the colors match. Like I said, I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen just so you guys can see it. I'm not mad at it because again, it's $128. So really, where are my expectations gonna be? I mean, I have a whole wig for $128. So I know it wasn't gonna be like the greatest thing since sliced bread. But I'm just here just to give you guys the facts, and in some cases the Kim facts. But this is definitely a blend. Definitely a blend. But I'll rock it for the summer because it's cute and it's different and I love the color so far. Like I said, I'll come back and do a 1 month update to give you guys, you know, my thoughts on this wig. But yeah, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.